How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert HTML to PDF in n8n in under 2 minutes. So obviously you want to go ahead and get your trigger right here, and then right after we are going to add a node and we are going to use the Puppeteer option right here. Now if Puppeteer isn't enabled, we could just type something like convert, and then you want to select the convert from file. So we are actually extracting from our HTML right here. Now you could put your input binary code, and then in my case, I'm just going to click on the X option. But of course, you want to go ahead and add a node right here where you have the ability to actually import or upload your PDF. So, or I mean your HTML. Now, after extracting the file from HTML, we are going to add another one called convert. So basically file, and we are going to convert it into a PDF. So it's going to be this one, move base 64 string to file. So just click on it. And then in here, you want to go ahead and make sure that the base 64 input field is enabled. Same thing with data. And then right after, you could just add another node, and simply right after you should be good to go. Once again, this is best used for something like Puppeteer, so you just want to go ahead and insert it right here. And then I'm also going to leave a code in the description box below that you are going to use for your Puppeteer on your workflow. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.